Hello, this is Terry Stevenson from the Builderall team, and in this training video, we're going to learn how to build panels 4, 5, and 6 using pre-made templates and starting with our blank page for the Sweet Zone ice cream parlor website that we've been building. And here we are on the site that we're mimicking now. We created this page once with the template, and in this video we're building panels 4, 5, and 6. So let's head into Cheetah and get started with building panel 4. This panel has an image on the right as well as some titles, a paragraph of copy, and a button on the left. Let's head into Cheetah now. So on panel 4, we're going to put the 3 scoops of ice cream on the image side. And of course, you would want to fill in any kind of copy that you have for your website in the content section. So you'll need, we didn't actually edit that here because you know how to edit the text now. And then our button, it reads about the Sweet Zone. So let's go back into Cheetah and customize that panel. And if we scroll down the page we're working on, here's the panel. We have an image here. So let's change the image by selecting it. And of course, we can open up this side menu or right click. If we're going to use the side menu, we're going to want to select it once that side menu is open and go to settings. So let's edit this image. Now we can also access the settings by clicking on edit element, and that'll open up our card as well. So we'll open up general settings, find the image, change the image, and we'll go to the ice cream shop. And this is the image we're looking for, this 3 scoops. And we'll save it. Now we're going to have to make this one a little larger, something like that, I think. Maybe not quite that large, almost. We'll try that so far. And then, of course, we didn't have icons on that, so we can use this for a title by selecting it, unbolding it. Let's just take it down to 1 line. We can delete that text. And we know we don't need the icons, so we can delete those. Now let's go back and look at the live page and make sure we know exactly what we want to customize this text to look like. So our headline is bold and it's 2 lines. We have your title here above it. So I'm just going to select whatever your title is, actually. Your title here is the tagline above it. So I'm going to copy it. Now it's on my clipboard. So let's go back to Cheetah. We're going to select this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that text here. And that text just doesn't quite look right. We're going to move it up so we can work on it a bit. And I want to be able to grab that text box and expand it. So let's select this. Right now the font is Open Sans. I'm going to choose a different font. Let's try let's see, how about Mooley Black, and we'll bold it. I don't know whether that's the exact font, but you can find one close to what you're looking for. Let's see what it looks like up. I think it's more like Lotto Black. So I'm going to select that again and change it to Lotto Black. That looks pretty close. It might be a little too large, and I can select that and bring it down a little bit. Let's try 40. That looks closer. I'm going to go ahead and bring it in like this. Keep it 2 lines. Now this was your title here, and it was sitting on top. But let's go ahead and change the text to something a little closer. How about Muley? You can shorten this a little bit. Anyway, you decide exactly what type of text you want to put in there. We're going to put this above it. And now we need one box. So we're going to move this up. Let's go ahead and expand this box. Let's get rid of this text box. Now, see that invisible box there? I'm going to create a bigger box. Make it a little bigger yet. I'm going to put that box inside the box. Now I'm going to put our title inside the box. And I'm going to put this title in the box. So now I have a big invisible box that I can move. I've got to make sure I've got it selected. And I can position it just exactly where I want it. You would put your own copy in there, of course. This is what we're going to do right now. So we have our paragraph in there. Let's go ahead and move our image up. That way we can move our box up appropriately. And then we had a button. So let's go up and just copy our button, duplicate it, move it down, pull it into the box. You have to wait to let go of it before it rises to the surface of the layers. So let's scroll down a little bit. And I think there needs to be a little bit more space. So I'm going to move this down. I think that looks pretty good. Now we're going to move down and take a look at this panel. In the next video, we're going to learn how to create all the rest of the panels 7, 8, and 9. So this is Terry Stevenson from the Builderall team, and I'll see you there.